What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tony making plays here. Today we got a video opening up these Night Guardians Fantasy Bundle. I guess it's like a legend bundle. You get a topper of an 85 to 87 overall and an 82 to 84 overall. Okay, blah. But this bundle is $100, which I very so much get a triple for. But it's your boy Tony making plays, so we're going
I'll have to ask my accountant about that.
to do it. So let's go ahead and get right into this bundle real quick. We're gonna go ahead and back out just to use the pack eyes a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Actually, you know what? It is a limited time to rare subs and packs right now, so we're gonna go ahead and warm these packs up with a couple of little Night Guardian packs, or whatever this is. Warm it up a little bit. Okay, we got Curtis Bradley. Okay, nothing important, nothing too important. We don't know what he goes for. We don't know what he do right now. We ain't check no sets out. We ain't doing none of that. We're just gonna open the packs up, and then we're gonna check the sets out, and then we're gonna make it do what he do. You heard? So Christian Kirk. Okay, we're gonna open up one more of these bad boys, and then we're gonna call it a day. Actually, you know what? We got 437, so we're gonna open up till we get 400K even, excuse me. So, okay, another 83 overall, Todd Davis. Don't look like nothing important to me. If we ain't getting no big elites, we ain't really tripping. Okay. Tyreek Hill. That's trash. Okay, that's trash. Okay. Alright, so we got one more. We're gonna go ahead and go over the 400K limit. Look at 398, 399, whatever. Another 83 overall, Todd Davis. Alright, so it looks like he's coming. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and get into this big boy bundle. As y'all can see in the corner right there, my closet is empty. We are on the verge of moving. So, new house tour coming soon? I don't know. So we're gonna go ahead and open up these fantasy packs. Come on, Sam Shields. We need a big boy. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and of course take those. We might need him for the Texans. Ooh, alter ego Juwan Short. Of course, we're going to take these two. We might go for something. We got an elite. Trash. Jabril Peppers. Jabril. My name is Gabriel. Jabril. Okay, anyway, on to the next pack. Just messing around. Okay, with Lamar Jackson. Okay. Power up, Ben Roethlisberger. Okay, we're going to, of course, take those. We're going to, of course, take Chris Long because we ain't did the Eagles set yet. So, yeah, y'all hear them working in the background. You might be able to hear it in this video. I'm sure you will. So, I apologize in advance. We're going to go ahead and fly through that. We're going to go ahead and take Todd Davis again. Even though we should have probably took one of the players to put him in a set. But taking all these for the video. Come on, we're waiting for that big boy pull though. We're waiting on that big boy pull though. Other than Andrew Luck, trash. Plus we already did the Colts. Don't need him. Okay. So as of right now, we ain't getting crap, bro. This is terrible right now. Another Lamar Jackson started off. Another Lamar Jackson started with the round. Come on, man. Come on, y'all. We need a big boy or something. This pack's ain't looking too hot, y'all. This pack's ain't looking too hot at all. 4 more packs to go. Okay, we got an elite. Jabril, why you keep telling me like that, Jabril? Oh my God, Jabril. Oh my God, these packs is not looking hot at all, bro. At all. These packs is not looking hot at all. Ooh. How much you quick sell for? 80K coins. Ooh. And here we go again with Jabril. Okay, so gold token set. Bro, we haven't seen a new flash yet. We haven't seen anything. That's D. Smith gotta go for something, man. Probably like 40K. Watch it be something dumb like 40K. Okay, so out of that, we pull nothing amazing at all. We're gonna do the 82 to 84 Guardian, which is gonna be trash. Jabril, why you keep doing me like this, Jabril? Okay, so this is the elite. I mean 86 grade Jared. Okay, so let's go take a look at the solo challenges to see what you get from the solos. Darkness is coming. Okay, rewards. What you get? 100 coins. And you get a net gold. Okay. This. How many solo challenges is this? 25 solo challenges. You only get 10,000 coins and you get 12 packs. Get a gold net, gold or better guardian net, gold net, another gold or better guardian net, gold net, gold or better, gold or better, gold or better, gold or better. Then you get an elite. Okay. So then what is this? You get 6,000 coins in another 6 challenges. You get a fantasy pack. Yeah, I gotta do better rewards with this solos. Yeah. Right, no bullshit. Let me click on my item. Two silver players in a row on a regular. 13 goals to receiver, 82 to 87. That's trash. 5 lower league guardians to receive 90 overall landing cards. Too high and too low. For the Dawson, 3 high, 7 low. 3 high, 7 low. 4 high, 10 low. 4 high, 10 low. Turn all 6 lows into mean joker. Alright, so this, I don't know, bro. I don't even know how I really feel about this. Let's go and see. Alright, so where's the program? Where the hell is the program at? I guess nothing is up. Legends, Core League, unless I'm missing something. Met Monsters. Black Everything. Alright, well, I guess there's no program specifically for it. Actually, you know what? Let's go see. Landon Collins. Let's go search Landon Collins. Where's back? Okay, so this says Night Guardians, 255K. 255K. I mean, I don't know, bro. Like, I don't know. Unless I'm like completely missing something. Yeah, I don't see anything that says Night Guardians nowhere. Let's see if it's a mean joker. 149. But he's going for a mil easily. But I mean, I guess that's it for the video, guys. I mean, unless I can do something else, I mean, I don't see anything else to do. Like, what time is it? 11:37 right now. Let me see, what can I do? Like, what can I do? Okay. So we got endless of those. Most of these James cards. Let me go ahead and take out this Joe Green. Eric Brown, everything going for 30 plus K. You're going for 40. Somebody just bought one for 41. There's one for 36. Yeah, so we didn't pull a single elite except for out of the topper. In my opinion, these packs were not worth it at all. So yeah, don't need a free safety. I pick up who I choose that I need for my team, like Landon Collins. Landon Collins is Landon Collins is cool. Like, we could pick up this Khalil Mack right now. It'll cost me 120K for this Khalil Mack. which we do need a new left end. So we might go ahead and pick up Khalil Mack. Which he's actually going to be expensive for 120K. 120K. Let's actually see how much Khalil Mack go for. Because with the power up, all the training, alright, Khalil Mack, 13K for his power up. It's basically his price, 200K right now. Watch. 145. And he's going for 563K. Bro, we can get him for 120 and sell him for 560K. Bro, that's easy profit, bro. Very easy profit, bro. And let's compare him. Cause we might actually keep this Khalil Mack, but he's worth it though. Play right 90. He got the speed, so he could definitely contain the quarterback. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pick up this Khalil Mack. We're gonna go ahead and do a lineup update. So thank you guys. If you're new, make sure you like the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're new, comment on the video. It's your boy Tony making plays. Sorry for not making a video yesterday or the day before, but like I said, we've been busy. We trying to get this stuff out of this house to move. As you can hear, probably in the background, you hear my girlfriend talking to her mom about it. But it's your boy Tony making plays. We out.